I bought another Frank Green coffee cup. This is their new version of their coffee cups, by the way, guys. And I do have the older version, and oh wow, yeah, I love the size, and it's just perfect for the coffee. I have it personalized, by the way, so I've got my name on there, and I bought two. Why not, right? Yeah, I couldn't choose in between these two colors, so I thought, I'll grab two of these beautiful cup. This is actually kind of like not chocolate, but it's more of like a dark burgundy color. I hope I'm showing it to the best true color possible. And I also have it personalized, and yep. So I did ask Frank Green, and they did say it's leak proof, because the previous one, as we all know, it's very hard to clean and at the same time maintain, right? But I got this one. It's beautiful. There you guys have it.